How to enhance regular maintenance service needs without increasing costs. The challenge of tracking multiple maintenance schedules for vehicles within a fleet can become overwhelming. While it may be easier to put all your vehicles on the same schedule, over-servicing equipment could cost your company up to $25,000 per asset. And under-servicing your vehicles could render your warranties null and void, as well as take your vehicles off the job. With Online AVL2, fleet managers can set up and track appropriate maintenance schedules and locate which vehicles are due for service. By doing this, you will not only extend the life of your vehicles, but also improve fuel consumption, decrease downtime, and reduce the need to replace your vehicles, all while staying on schedule. Let's explore the Navman wireless maintenance components. To begin, users log on to the Navman Wireless Online AVL2 by entering their username and password. Then, click on the icon that displays their vehicle's maintenance schedules. A list will appear that includes vehicles' names, maintenance types, status, and description. A red symbol indicates a vehicle is overdue for service and needs immediate attention. A yellow symbol warns that a vehicle will be due for maintenance soon, and green indicates that no service is needed. Vehicles can be organized by maintenance status. In this example, vehicles that are overdue for service are indicated first. Descriptions near the symbols provide more information about that vehicle's state of maintenance, such as due and overdue information in dates and distance amounts, as well as the next logical steps to take. Reports provide much more detail to users. Fleet managers can run reports by vehicle, driver, or asset. In this example, we'll generate a maintenance status report. Select the vehicles and maintenance types and then click Create Report to generate the report itself. The report will display exactly which kinds of services are required, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and more. Recurring maintenance categories detail when services are due, and users can elect to receive warning emails when maintenance is due. In addition, the color-coded status symbols and detailed descriptions make planning for maintenance even easier. Let's go a step further and set up an email alert that allows users to keep tabs on individual vehicles. In this case, we'll set up an alert for unauthorized use, meaning that the vehicle may be speeding, is outside of its area, is being operated outside of work, or is being used in an unauthorized manner in some other way. To view a report on this vehicle, simply click on the vehicle named in the email alert. Everything indicated in red means that the vehicle was engaged in unauthorized use, which affects the specific maintenance types that this vehicle will need. For another example of how reports can provide important maintenance information, we'll return to the Reports tab and generate a peak speed report. Simply input parameters such as vehicle names, dates, and speed limit criteria, and then create the report. The report can pinpoint exactly when infractions occurred and where. In this example, the highest peak speed of this vehicle reached 83 miles per hour between 4:38 and 4:42 a.m. In addition, 5 other instances occurred where the vehicle exceeded the established speed criteria for the date range selected. In addition, users can run reports by driver to pinpoint individual actions that may be contributing to maintenance needs. In this example, we'll generate an Engine Management System, or EMS, period report. Input vehicle and report period parameters and click Create to generate the report. The report will display a comprehensive snapshot of the selected vehicle's speeds, utilization, engine and brake use, fuel consumption and exceptions for the specified trip period, including instances of speeding, over RPM and heavy braking. Oil pressure and water temperatures are noted as well. By knowing exactly which vehicles are due for service and when, you can easily set a maintenance schedule that maximizes the life of your vehicles and your profits. In fact, one fleet used maintenance reports to show which trucks are due for maintenance and routine inspection. With this added insight, repair costs alone have dropped from $62,000 annually to $38,000, while drivers are more productive than ever. Additionally, robust reporting has helped another company put a stop to excessive speeding and idling, as well as route trucks more efficiently. Overall fuel and maintenance costs have dropped by more than 10%.